Hey guys, it's Ashley and welcome to my channel. So you guys, today I'm giving you a New Year's Eve glitter cut crease bomb makeup tutorial. You guys, I'm really feeling this look. I'm in love. So without further ado, let's get right into this glam. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to press that good old notification bell so you can get all of my up and coming videos. And don't forget to get my social medias. I have that link down in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get right into this glam beat. Guys, so I'm going in with my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette in the color Zulu, and we're just going to place that right in our crease. So now we're going to go in with our Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette, and we're going to use that orange color called Blazing, I think it is, and we're going to put that right on top of our crease as our transition color. So now we're going to go in with our Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette in the color Man Eater Honey, and we're just going to deepen that look up a little bit. I decided I wanted a little pop of red last minute, so yeah, that's what we're doing. And so now I'm going to cut the crease using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. Okay, so now we're going back in with the Desert Dust palette, and we're just going to use that color Duo and put that right on the outer corner of our lids. And now it's time for the best part, the glitter. So we're going to go in with our glitter primer, and we're going to place that all over our cut crease so the glitter can have something to stick to. And then we're going to go in with this really pretty silver holographic glitter, y'all. I love it. So now we're going to go in with our primer with the Hangover RX. Y'all know I love this stuff, especially if you have dry skin, and we're just going to, put it on our face. So now we're going to go in with our Fit Me foundation. I am the color 338. I love this foundation. I'll vouch for this foundation. And I got this foundation for $5 at Target. So get you some, girl. Get you some. So now we're going to highlight our high points using our LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and we're just going to hit all those high points under the eyes, down the bridge of our nose, our lip, and our chin. now it's time to contour. I love contour, y'all. So we're going to use our black opal in the color Carve, and we're just going to do what we normally do. Snatch that face. Period. Period. Okay, so now we're just going to set our face with our Fit Me powder, and we're just going to put that all over my face. I normally don't bake anymore because, y'all, my skin is dry and I can't do it. So, yes. So now we're going to contour using our James Charles palette, and we're just going to use those two darker colors that I always use. You guys, I love this stuff. Make sure you get the most out of y'all palettes, y'all. Period. Period. Speaking of using the most out of your palettes, we're going to take that really pretty orangey color and use it as a blush. Yes, it's so pretty, you guys. I fell in love with this color. I love it. So now we're going to go in with our Wet n Wild highlighter, and we're just going to hit those highlights of our face so we can glisten in the sun. Yes. So now we're going to use a lip gloss because I couldn't find any of my new lipsticks. So we're just going to go in with a lip gloss and just put a little gloss on our lips. And then we're just going to use our MAC Cucumber Fix Plus spray and spray our face. And that is our look, honey. Look at that. Look at that, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Happy New Year's. We're welcoming a great 2020. Great, prosperous all 2020, period.